In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert XML to JSON using a fast online converter. If you've ever needed to move data from one format to another, this is one of the quickest ways to do it without installing anything. We'll use the Code Beautify XML to JSON tool, which keeps things simple and gets you clean results in seconds. Before we dive in, a quick note on what's happening. XML organizes information with nested tags, while JSON uses key value pairs with braces and brackets. Many modern APIs and apps prefer JSON, so converting your existing XML can make integration easier. Let's get started. Open your browser and navigate to the Code Beautify XML to JSON page. You'll see two main areas, one for your XML input and one for the JSON output. In the XML panel, paste your XML. You can copy it from a file or any source where it's stored. Make sure your XML is well-formed, matching opening and closing tags, properly nested elements, and valid characters. If your file includes the XML declaration at the top, like the version line, that's fine to include. If your XML is very large, give it a moment after pasting. Browsers can lag when handling big text blocks. Once your XML is in place, click Convert. The tool will parse the XML and immediately produce JSON in the output panel. If there's a problem in the XML, you'll usually see an error message indicating where the issue might be, such as an unexpected character or a missing closing tag. In that case, correct the XML in your source, paste it again, and click Convert once more. When the JSON appears, you're ready to take it with you. You can copy the JSON output directly to your clipboard if you want to paste it into an editor or an application. If you prefer to save a file, use the download option and name it with a .json extension so your tools recognize it. A quick glance at the output can help you confirm the structure. Curly braces for objects, square brackets for arrays, and property names in quotes. If your XML had repeated elements, they'll often appear as arrays in JSON. That's it. Paste your XML, click Convert, and then copy or download the JSON output. This workflow is fast, reliable, and perfect for quick transformations, testing, or preparing data for modern APIs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this saves you time on your next project.